Hey guys and girls, I'm Julia with the Wig Review Central YouTube channel. Pinkee Promise Wigs and I welcome you to this wig review of the 2021 RAQUEL Welch wigs up close and personal style from their signature collection. This is a short layered style that's very sleek and elegant. It's a more affordable alternative to the ready for takeoff style from the 2020 collection of RAQUEL Welch wigs. Ready for takeoff has a 100% hand-tied cap. This does not. This has a beautiful sheer indulgence lace front, a full single layer monofilament top, and open wefts, which is what makes it a more affordable alternative. Well, let's take a closer look at this gorgeous, sophisticated new style. The up close and personal wig cap features a temple-to-temple sheer indulgence lace front that is 100% hand-tied and extended. It extends to this single layer 100% hand-tied monofilament top, which allows you to part the wig left, center, or right. On either side of the wig cap, you have these velour adjustable ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. The Memory Cap 3 features the silicone-coated stretch lace. This cap can conform to the shape of your head after about an hour of wear. The wonderful thing about the silicone is it prevents wig slipping, so you don't have to worry about your wig being secure. On either side of the extended velour nape are Velcro adjustable straps, which allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to ½ inch. One feature about this wig that I really love is how long the nape fiber is. You really have great coverage here at the nape. And the way that it's textured and layered is so flattering to the neckline and jawline. Up Close and Personal has a temple-to-temple extended lace front that's 100% hand-tied. It's sheer indulgence, and as you can see, it's gorgeous and gives you a very realistic looking hairline. The single layer monofilament top is 100% hand tied, and as you can see, it has a very nice parting space. It looks as if the hair is growing right along the part. This is a gorgeous cool tones color. RL17/23SS, Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato. It's a pale ash brown base with cool ash blonde highlights and dark brown roots. You have unlimited styling options with Up Close and Personal. This is what the style looks like right out of the box with just a little bit of finger combing. You can see that there is a lot of volume. This style does have permatease sewn into the base of the wefts and around the single monofilament top. So there's a lot of volume, and you can certainly take advantage of that. Or if you would prefer not to wear it off of the face like this, you could always part the wig whatever direction you would like. You can comb this style straight down if you would like a little less volume. Here I have it parted to the left, and as you can see, it's just very pretty, very sophisticated. Now we'll part it to the right, so you can see what it looks like. And you have bangs here at the front that are 4.5 inches long, and they can give you a variety of different looks. See here, I'm actually brushing the bangs forward, just to give myself, look at that, just light feathery bangs, very flattering. Now on the sides, you can choose to show your ears or not. That's what I like about how the sides are layered. You can bring some of this face framing fringe up to the front. Tuck some of these longer layers behind the ear. Or if you would prefer, you can just comb the layers over the ear as well. It's really amazing to me that a short style like Up Close and Personal has so many different looks that you can accomplish. I'm very pleased with the style Up Close and Personal. One of the best features, in my opinion, is the Memory Cap 3, which has the silicone coated stretch lace because it prevents slipping, so your wig fits securely. It also conforms to the shape of your head for an almost custom-like fit. And there's really no denying that the RAQUEL Welch wig line has some of the best lace fronts in the industry. So I'm always pleased with the Sheer Indulgence lace fronts. I really think that this wig is a gorgeous addition if short styles are what you prefer. Now, if you have any questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear Up Close and Personal, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. If you're interested in purchasing Up Close and Personal, I highly recommend the website PinkeePromise.com. You know, I've received wigs from Pinkee Promise Wigs for more than 2 years now, and I'm always pleased with the customer service. If you have questions about anything, color, the wig style, shipping, returns, you can always email support@PinkeePromise.com. Now when you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review of Up Close and Personal. Take care. Bye-bye.